Alright, let's do this. Welcome, game developers and boppers, to Doug Teaches Ue4. This has been a very crazy few weeks. No excuses aside. Let's start with multiplayering this up. Now, I was going to... Rather than... Because it's going to be a long video. I'm going to make it as short as I can. Really? No, this involves baby steps. See, the thing is... I was so hesitant. First, this tutorial is just going to be about replication. But more importantly, there's a reason why I was kind of hesitant. Here's the thing. Multiplayer games run off servers. Duh, right. But, like, the servers themselves have to run the game constantly, 24/7. And that's going to involve multiple iterations of that exe running simultaneously. Which is kind of why I was kind of hesitant on showing, like, encouraging... You're going to have to go through server space, but, like, server space is expensive, etc., etc., but whatever. That's done and done. Right now, let's focus on replication. This is going to be a short video. We're just going to do replication, maybe a game mode. Well, we will make a game mode so that we can tweak the pawns and shit like that. Tweak the pawns? Long story. So, under our play options, right? I'm clicking this drop-down menu. Under net mode, you want to do listen server. Number of players, you can jack the only 4. And technically speaking, you can have upwards of like 16. No, not 06, 16. And I will do in new editor window. A lot of windows are going to open up. What the hell? Yeah, like I said, a lot of windows are opening up. Why? Because I made it 16 players. Oh. Yeah, you don't want to do that. What? Wait, why were they clipping through the geometry? Okay, so here's something you gotta understand. It's because of this. What? Yes. This player start? They're all using that player start. I'll try it again. Now, all of them are going to clip through the... because they're all spawning there simultaneously. They have no idea... Because this player start... max size? I'll just move it up. So if I move this up and over, it should clip into the ground again. They should. Some should, yeah. Yeah. And they're all falling to their death. Wait a minute. Why are they third-person characters? Long story. Well, not so much a long story. We'll get to that in a little bit. Anyway, so I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna hit 2 just for safety's sake. So wait. If they're all using that player start, how will we do our multiplayer bit? Essentially, when we get down to the nitty gritty, we'll be able to say, okay, spawn around this area. Because we can essentially say, okay, once the player has chosen a class, this player start will be linked here. However, it'll just say, oh, okay, spawn within an area. Spawn within an area. Do not spawn at that exact location. Oh, okay, yeah. So we have to basically get a random point in navigable radius. Okay, so that's it. We have 2 players now. So if I hit play... Alright, so this is the server, I'm the boss, and this dude is the client. Why is the third person character, but why the third person character? Okay, so the reason why we have the third person character is because under world settings, we have it under, technically speaking, we should have it under first person character, under the game mode type. So how do we mitigate that? Well, we can essentially, we create a game mode. Okay, so we right click, we go to blueprint class, and game mode base. Really? Yeah. And just say 40K game mode. And guess what? Chicken map. That too. but we can use that. Oh, so the default pawn class, we can finally edit this shit in world settings. So, for world settings, we'll just hit AM, Astra Militarum Infantry. HUD class doesn't fucking matter, none of that shit matters. So if we play... Oh, sweet! Yeah, but there's a problem. What? I don't think I'm... Wait, am I sprinting? I don't think I'm sprinting. Am I sprinting? Wait, can I grenade? Oh, I can't grenade. Oh, never mind. Okay. Cool. Yeah. But where are the companions? That's one of the other things. They're over here. Why? Because they don't know where to go. What? Wait, what? They're confused as shit. Why are they confused as shit? Let's go... Where are you, Bilitar? Wait. No, it's under Game BP. Where's friendly AI? Squad members. It is... It doesn't know... Essentially... It's casting. So... Oh wait. Fuck. Where the hell... Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? To engage. Yeah. Where is... Wait, if order given... So it stands. Canada. Squad 1, Squad 2. Ah, there we are. Player reference. Yeah. It doesn't know where to go. What do you mean? See, when we're... While it's going to set destination, right? Uh-huh. When we're setting it to go to the destination, it's assuming that waypoint... There are multiple versions of us, so it doesn't know where the fuck to go. Can't we just link it to, that thing? Can't we just link it to that particular player? Well, that is... This is under the assumption that it's player 0. We are... Astra Militarum is player 0. So we need to go to class default. Well, first of all, we gotta see if... okay, so... Yeah, you have... That's good. In our replication set. Okay, so right now we have to go to our replication settings. What's relevant? Oh, God. That's a different story for another day. And replicates, etc., etc. However, okay, so if any of you... yeah, iron sight aiming... Use key. Let's see if I can still use... Now. Wait, what? Yeah. What the fuck? Yeah. What the fuck just happened? Yeah. Hoping that would happen. How did you hope that would happen? Here's the thing. Now, one of the reasons why I was using C++ so much was because we literally hard-coded a lot of the abilities in here. But, and this is a big but, and this is something I wanted to show off, when we do Blueprint, that's a different story. See, when we're using Blueprint, it's not... It'll work... Our Blueprint functionality will work for this dude, right here. For the main server. Why? Because we're the boss. We're the server. So that means this dude won't work on the client. See? The turret's not even rotating. What the fuck? Yeah. How the hell do we... Wait, hold on. Then how do we fix it? Like I said... Series. Fucking really? Yes. essentially what we'd have to do, right? We'd have to shoot a thing saying, I don't know if I want to do it now or do I want to do it in part 2, because this definitely needs baby steps here, because the online functionality, replication, relevance, that can easily pop your brain, and I really don't want to do that. See, the thing is, while yes, we can technically, well, first let's stick this in a for each loop, and in the we just get the array index, plug that in, plug this into execute, and then move this out, plug loop body into here, so that way we have all the array elements as far as completion is concerned. It doesn't fucking matter. Can't we just take this and cast it? Fine, we can do that too. We can make an array. But nope, wrong one. You. So then let's go here. We still have we can still rotate the turret. Oops, sorry. Problem is, we can still rotate the turret, right? Why are they all going that way? Again, we have multiple iterations of him. That's the first dude. So plug that in. But let's go to the client side. Oh, wait, I gotta go back to the main server side of things. And then, there. Now I go to the client side of things. Let's possess. Still nothing. Then what did we just do here? See, the thing is, this was assuming that we needed to do this for later on, because it's only going to say, oh, it's looking for the first element in that array. But now that we've stuck this into a for each loop, we can basically have as many elements as we want. So that's fixing for later on. The thing is, when we're using something, we basically have to tell the client. We basically have to say, hey, this client has to do a thing. Wait, so do we just go back in and look for the client bit? Even if we were to do that, we'd still need to do more. We'd still need to do more stuff. Like what? Hold on. Yeah, replicant movement. Yeah, it's still not load on client. Can't we untick that? More to it than just that. Oh, yeah. See, the thing is, if you, like I said, it's important that we just do baby steps. So I'm just gonna call it. So it's best that we call this a video. Okay, pause. Can we at least just do another part? No. Look, there's still a lot of work to talk about when it comes to online multiplayer. This is one of the reasons why I was like saving this for way later is because online multiplayer is very, very, very intensive. You saw I could spawn 16 dudes right off the bat. And keep in mind, we didn't even get started on how to actually tell the thing what to spawn. Then how do we do that? Well, for starters, it's got to look for a faction that you're choosing. Then you got to pick a specific class, and then from there it goes on, and it goes on from there. The beat don't stop until the break of dawn. Game mode will then tell the game mode will then save it down. That means when we pick something, right? First, we're gonna have to pick something, save it down, save our choice down, then load as the match starts. So, and then we also have to tell, like, the client-side server, this is going to be a very, very daunting task. So it's important, it's very important that we handle the baby steps first before getting into the full-blown nitty-gritty. I could talk about this if you want me to. Thing is, the whole lesson would take like 4 hours. I mean, this would be fucking long as shit. Longer than any lesson plan, because there's just so much components when it comes to online multiplayer bits. That said, let's just focus on replication and why the controls didn't. So wait, if the controls didn't work, does that mean we have to do a total teardown? No. We just got to tell the server, hey, this has been possessed by this player, so blah. And we can do that, but it's going to. But again, this is just going to take time. It's best that we break this up and take it baby steps. That said, End it, narrator. And if people don't like it, then I'll just make the thing longer and explode people's brains. Okay, well, tune in next time, boppers and game developers, to Doug Teaches Ue4.